Just when you thought she didn't come out of the office, folks. This is Dustin, Ashley, and Terry from Your RV Specialist. And Terry is showing Ashley progress on a coach, and she come out here to say, I want to see what's going on. And it's not finished yet. He's still got to, making sure it meets her standards, she said. He's got to come back out here. And so he took this whole front cap off. They dropped it on the pickup truck, and so damaged both this side pretty bad and the other side as well. And so he got that all fixed up, put it all back on, fiberglassed it, sanded it all down, and then now he's got to wait for the paint to dry and then come back and he's going to color sand it. Hey, Terry, what's the color sanding sandpaper? It's
15 or 2,000.
15 or 2,000? Yeah.
Wet sand it.
And so typically they got to dry for how long depending on the weather?
3 days.
Yeah, 3 days or more.
For single stage.
For single stage, yeah. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. Terry, it looks awesome. I know it's going to get all buffed out and look pretty when it's all done, but it was a little bit difficult to color sand this one, or not to color sand it, but to match the paint color. A lot of times, keep in mind when we're doing paint and body repairs, the paint that's out of state is a different format than it is for California. And so, you know, there's different lacquers and chemicals that they won't let us use in California. So we get it colored, you know, almost as close as possible. They actually came out and did a digital color match to this one. And it took about 4 different times for him to get the right color. And so anyways, stay tuned for more, and we'll let these two get back at it. So yeah, he's over there explaining to her about different colors and stuff on it. So, all right, well, hey, thanks so much. And then we're getting ready on another video coming up. We're taking off this LCI Flex Air pin box, and we're gonna be adding a gooseneck Gen Y hitch. So stay tuned for that. We'll do a video on that as well. And then you guys can check that out too. So thanks a lot. Thanks for watching Your RV Specialist.